Hello, today we're going to learn how to use the Groups tab in the side menu of your control panel. You will select Groups and then the second Groups option. Here you will see the list of registered groups. To view and edit a group, click on the I button. You will be able to follow your group's dashboard here. You can see the total number of participants, meetings, and the average rating of these meetings. You will be able to follow the events reported in last meetings, as well as the requests of pending participants. You can keep track of group participants here in the Group Participants tab. You can see how long they've been members, their frequency of attending meetings, and can edit the records of these members, as well as add new ones. Back on the dashboard, when there are membership requests, you can see the details of the user's profile who is making the request. You can either accept or reject this user. In the Meetings tab, you can see the status of any meetings available. The Groups feature also allows you to run meeting reports. See our other tutorial videos for more details. Thanks, and talk to you soon.